So here's the question you want to know. Can this very inexpensive cotton candy machine work not as well as this cotton candy machine? I mean, this is the classic cotton candy machine and it is a rock star, right? But this costs significantly less, and can we use it, have a good time, have some good cotton candy with this without going here? There's only one way to tell. We got to crank this thing up, put some cotton candy in it, and see what happens. I think we should try both with the sticks that came with it, and we will try with some classic paper cones. Let's try it both ways. Ooh, I just saw something that's kind of cool. Let me show you. Look, you can see in there where it's heating up. How cool is that? Comes with a measuring stick. Ooh, you can definitely feel the heat. Let's go with their stick first. Let's get everything ready before I put the sugar in there. Here we go. We got their stick. We've got the classic stick. Here we go. Cotton candy time. See what happens. Oh wait, I'm starting to see it. Look. Oh, it's working. This is very exciting. Yeah, honestly, it's working perfectly. This is with their stick. I might not even go for the other stick. Let's see what this looks like first. Look at this. Wow, I am very impressed so far. So this is going to be our 1 scoop measurement. We're going to see how much cotton candy we get out of 1 scoop. I'm just using their stick because this is working so well. Wow, I might need the other stick. I feel like if I switch to the other stick, I'm gonna lose it, but let's do it. Ah, there we go, there we go. It's hard to twist fast enough with one hand. Okay, so this is a lesson for you. This was all from 1 scoop, and I'm still going, obviously. But there we go. Now we're back to professional cotton candying. This is, I have to say, stunning. Ooh, it does put off a lot of heat. I can't believe we're still going with 1 scoop. Not sure how this is possible, but I'm very happy about it because I love my cotton candy. I guess the question is it slowing down or not? How much candy can 1 scoop make? I think we're slowing down. I'm gonna turn it off. It's yummy. So if you've been looking at cotton candy machines, you've probably seen my other reviews. I'm pretty much a cotton candy expert. Love my cotton candy, and I am like exploding with joy over this machine. This is from 1 scoop. These 2 delicious things of perfect cotton candy out of this little simple machine. I'm not sure I ever thought this was possible. In the end, you can't possibly go wrong with this. You should definitely get it. I will use this as a pointer. There's a link here on the screen. There's another one down below. This is not sponsored. I bought this to do this for you, and this is my real answer. You should be using those links and getting this for yourself. If I've added some value, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that follow button, and put in the comments, what are you gonna do with this? I can tell you, this guy here, we're out front for Christmas. We get invited to parties, birthday parties in the neighborhood. This thing sees a lot of action, and I have to say, I think this thing would be up to the action as well. But what are you gonna do with this? Let me know. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.